Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make an Appalachian Ozark specialty chocolate gravy on biscuits. I've already made some homemade biscuits. I've got the oven preheating. I have a few in the freezer. I had a few in the freezer, so we're just going to use those. We've never had this before. We're going to start off with 3/4 cup of sugar. That's how much we put in our sweet tea. 1, 2, 3, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Oh, it does fit sweet. Might have to sprinkle in a little more. Oh, super chocolatey. We need 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm wondering if that is 1/4 cup. I didn't look it up. I think 4 might be, but I'm not sure. We're just gonna whisk this all together before we put it on the heat. I believe cook it on low. It is about 1/4 cup. Cool. Flour, all purpose. Very simple, very easy. Simple ingredients, that's for sure. We need a tablespoon of butter softened for the end. So I'll bring out my butter. I'll set this tablespoon to the side and we'll pour in 2 cups of milk. We have 2%. We don't buy whole. This is going to be interesting. I think I'm going to pour in 1 and start to whisk it. Woo! Jiminy, that cocoa powder's taking me out. 1 more cup of milk and whisk this in. Alright y'all, we're pretty good and whisked together. I'm going to turn on the heat to low, I believe. Grab my little lighter, turn it on, get my propane on and light her up. Turn it down slowly. Perfect. I believe it's low. This should take about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, I believe. We'll keep checking. Alright y'all, yes, we're going to cook this on a medium heat until it thickens up to a gravy consistency. There's just cocoa powder all over this pan that I'm going to get off pot. I need to put the biscuits in the oven. Got a couple biscuits in here from the freezer. I was wondering why the bag was shaped funny, but it's because I have a heart-shaped one. Couple biscuits here. We'll throw them in the oven, I think at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes till they're golden brown and done inside. Still not thickened yet. Alright y'all, it's been in there for probably about 10 minutes. It's not there yet, but I do have it on a lower temp instead of medium. The biscuits should be done in about 10 to 15 minutes still, but you just gotta keep going in there, whisking the sides and the bottom because it's thickening up. Starting. Still thin, but you can feel it thickening up. Keep everything scraped down, and it's starting to get hot, so it'll be thick in no time. Alright y'all, it's getting thicker. You can see more resistance. You really got to make sure you scrape the sides and everything because it is just sticking. That sugar is really interesting. This is very interesting. Gets thick and starts sticking. But yeah, you can see it's super thick now. So sweet and chocolatey. It's getting thicker though. 5 to 10 minutes on my biscuits. It's getting thicker. Need to get the sides wet where it's kind of cooked on. And then you can just scrape them off. Can see it's already getting thicker. That's the nappe. I think we'll still go a little thicker. Can definitely feel where it sticks. Seems like a chocolate syrup. Yeah, like chocolate syrup. It's good, but it'll be interesting on a biscuit. We'll see. We'll see. Like, how much do you put on the biscuit? Because for classic biscuits and gravy, I want that thing drowning. Oh, yeah. Here we go, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Beautiful. It's getting there. It's almost done. My biscuits have 1 to 5 minutes left. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all. It's pretty thick now. I think I'm going to turn the heat up for a tiny second and turn it off. I might have should have kept it on because I still need to add this tablespoon of butter. Yeah, it's kind of softened. That's good. I was able to squish it. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Turn that heat back on low for just a second. Okay, y'all, this is a good consistency. I'm gonna cut the heat, and I think now is when we add in the butter softened. Okay, and usually I don't measure vanilla for baking. We're measuring it for the gravy. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. All right, y'all. This is so strange. That has thinned it out a little bit, so hopefully it can come to a good thickness. Oh yeah, my heat's off. And then my biscuits will be done in just a couple minutes. Oh yeah, y'all, it's perfect. Perfect consistency. All right, y'all, this is delicious. That's a dessert right there. Now I've got a couple biscuits out the oven. The big heart-shaped one is not done. Look at these biscuits. Oh yeah, buttery. Oh yeah, beautiful. Put 2 biscuits in here. We're gonna cover them in gravy. All right, y'all, going in with the gravy. Chocolate gravy, here we come. This is like a dessert, y'all. Here we have it, y'all. Bon appetit. Chocolate gravy, bon appetit. We'll give it a taste test and I'll let you know how we think. All right, y'all, here's the heart-shaped biscuit. Try to get it off the pan. It's okay. I'm gonna see if it's done. Ooh, it's hot. It's really hot. It might not be done. Shoot. So good though. We'll throw it back in. All right, y'all, I have this smaller biscuit now. We're gonna give it a try. My husband says it's delicious. It's like different and weird, but it's really surprisingly good. Let's try it. I drowned that little booger in there. All right. The butter, you can taste the butter. You can taste the butter whether it's in the biscuit or the gravy. It's really good. It's really good. I definitely wouldn't want this like every day, and I'd rather have this for dessert over breakfast. And I think I might like it on ice cream or something rather than a biscuit. I don't know, but it's delicious. It's actually really good with the biscuit because it's kind of savory more. We encourage y'all to give this a try. If you enjoyed, consider giving this video a like, commenting what you think, subscribe for more, share it with your people, y'all. Let them know we cook some good food over here. We appreciate y'all and hope you guys have a great week, spring, summer. Be safe out there and subscribe for more. Bon appetit. Peace out, y'all. Thanks for watching.